Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have these SKULLCANDY headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily do a hard reset. At first, take them out of the case and put them back again. Then take your case like that and hold the buttons like that, but when you have your case opened. Let me open my case and hold my buttons for at least 10 to 15 seconds, I'd say. Until our LED lights are flashing, we have to hold, and as you can see, mine are not flashing, and our hard reset is done. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye!